There's a brand new TikTok niche exploding right now, and creators are gaining millions of views with simple macro ASMR videos. One page already grew past 60,000 followers, with videos hitting 12 million, 15 million, even 17 million views. The craziest part? These videos are insanely addictive to watch and surprisingly easy to create. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step exactly how to make viral macro ASMR content using AI tool. So make sure you watch until the end. Now let's get started. The first step is generating the prompts for your viral macro ASMR video. First, head over to the Google Doc linked in the video description. Inside, you'll find a prompt template specifically designed for this niche. Copy the prompt, then open your favorite AI text generator. For this tutorial, we'll be using ChatGPT. Paste the prompt into ChatGPT and hit enter. Within seconds, it will generate a full list of fruits, plants, and satisfying objects you can use for your video idea. From there, simply type the fruit or object you want to create or enter your own custom idea. After that, ChatGPT will instantly generate recommended action concepts for your selection, along with multiple alternative options to make your content more unique and addictive to watch. Once you choose an option, the AI will generate 2 image prompts. The first is a wide setup shot showing the object and tools before the action begins, while the second is an extreme close-up macro shot focused on texture, moisture, fibers, and detail. It will also give you video prompt that you can use to animate the scene into a satisfying viral ASMR video. The next step is generating your images, and for this, we'll be using Flow AI. Head over to Flow AI and set your project to a vertical format by choosing the 9:16 aspect ratio, then select the number of output. Once that's ready, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first image prompt. Return to Flow AI, paste the prompt into the input box, and click Generate. Within a few seconds, the AI will create your first ultra-realistic macro image based on your prompt. Carefully review the results and select the version that looks the most cinematic and detailed. Then download it directly to your device. Now for the second image. Use your first generated image as a reference so the style stays consistent. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the second image prompt. Then return once again to Flow AI. Paste the prompt, hit Generate, and wait for your second macro shot to be created. Once it's ready, download it to your device. The final step is turning your images into a fully animated macro ASMR video. Go back to Flow AI and switch from image mode to video mode. Select the Frames option, and make sure your aspect ratio is still set to 9:16. Once that's done, upload your first image into frame 1. Then add your second image into frame 2. Now head back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt. Return to Flow AI, paste the prompt, and click Generate. Within seconds, your macro ASMR video will be created. When it's done, preview your video. You can see how realistic and cinematic it looks, with smooth macro movement, glossy textures, and satisfying ASMR-style transitions that make it feel premium and viral ready. And just like that, you've created your own macro ASMR video using AI. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comments section.